everyone, it's Lynnea, and it is LDRS Creative Features time once again, and we are celebrating the new Halloween and Christmas 2021 release. So I'm going to be using the Cozy Cuppa stamp set along with the Modern Geometric cover plates. There are actually 3 of them, but I'm only going to be using 1 and 2 and creating a fun little shaker card. So I've already done some prepping. You saw there that I cut both the Modern Geometric A2 cover plates 1 and 2. There's a 3rd one, like I said, and I love that you can layer these any way that you want and get a completely different look. That's going to be my background. Now, for the shaker part, I'm going to be taking the Cozy Cuppa stamp set, and I stamped out the cup, some whipped cream, and the little spoon, as well as the inside part that you can stamp right inside of the cup, but I stamped that separately. That's going to be my shaker backer. So I want to cut my coffee cup, my whipped cream, and my spoon. It's actually going to be a hot cocoa cup. I don't like coffee or tea. I'm definitely a cocoa person. So I love that the Cozy Cuppa stamp set has sentiments for whatever kind of hot beverage you like. I'm taking my scissors and I'm going to create a shaker out of the Cozy Cuppa mug. So I just stuck my scissors right down in the center, and then I'm cutting out the center of that mug. So I really didn't need to color all the way to the center. I did, but you don't need to. You're just going to cut out the center part and you're left with a little frame. And that's going to go right over that little background that I colored there. Now remember, if you want to make a simpler card, you can definitely just stamp that little ornate image there right in the middle of the coffee cup and color it up and just cut it out as one piece. I've created a shaker well with some acetate and some double-sided foam adhesive. I'm running my heat embossing powder tool along the inside so that my shaker bits don't get stuck. And then I'm going to add some shaker sequins right on top of that background that I colored, and then place my Cozy Cuppa mug over the top, sealing in those sequins. And then I'll use my fingers and press down and make sure that's really secure. And then just simply use my scissors and cut away the excess. This doesn't need to be pretty. It's going to be on the back and nobody's going to see it at all. So just really chopping away there. And here is my little shaker mug. I layered up the Modern Geometric A2 cover plates 1 and 2 on some red cardstock. I added my whipped cream onto my cocoa mug, and then I'm just going to arrange my images. So I have that mug glued onto my background. I'm going to figure out where I want that spoon to go, and then I also have a sentiment from the Cozy Cuppa stamp set that I fussy cut out with my scissors. And here's my finished Cozy Cuppa shaker card. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you again soon. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.